with Alyssia. It's time to make pumpkin pie. We're using Lemmy's pumpkin pie. This is condensed milk. We need 2 eggs. I got all my spices. My secret ingredient is vanilla. Here's all the things we need. Oops, I forgot the crust. Get a grown-up to help open these cans. Let's pour it. Let's put the pumpkin in.
There you go.
Let's put the eggs in. Oh. There's a bit too hard. It's not cracking. Half a teaspoon of pumpkin. Half a teaspoon of ginger. And last is the vanilla. We're gonna use an electric mixer. Let's mix. Let's put in the pie crust. Set your oven to 450. A little bit more. The pies are ready to go in the oven. The pies are done. Someone took a piece. I want to know who did it.